Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to write padx and pady in tkinter. So padx and pady are used to uh, give the position to the widget. Okay, this padx and pady will give the positions to the widgets. So let's run this program and we'll see. I have taken around 5 fruits and I have written a program, some labels, and I positioned in a grid manner. Let us see the output. So this is the output. Okay, in first row we have banana, second row apple, orange, goa, and third row grapes. So to understand padx and pady, first we'll take the apple, and I want to increase the position from the left border. So that is used as padx, right? So here if I take this gap, I want to increase. So I will use padx first coordinate. Okay, guys. So apple, if you take, this is the padx first coordinate is for this gap. Okay, and second coordinate, this 10 is for this gap. Okay. So for example, I want to increase this gap between the left border and the apple. Then I use 20 here. Okay. Let's stop this and run it again. Then this gap is increased here. Okay. And after that, if we want to increase the gap in other direction, other side, then we have to use the padx other coordinate. Okay, guys. So let's say I want to increase here 20. Okay. Let's run the program again. So this gap is increased. Okay. So padx first coordinate is from the left border and padx second coordinate is the other side. Okay. In the horizontal direction, other side. Okay. Let us see another example for Goa. Goa, I want to increase the position from orange and Goa. So in padx, I will use the first coordinate, right? Let's say increase by 10 for Goa. So this is Goa padx. Let's say increase by 10, 20. Okay. So let's see the output. So like this position is increased. Okay, guys. If you want to increase the other side, you have to use the other coordinate, this one. But if I increase the other side, you are not able to see the difference because it is the extreme right. Okay. And let's take the orange fruit and we'll try to understand what is pad y. Okay. Pad y first coordinate is, okay, first coordinate is in the top and second coordinate is in the bottom. Okay, so of orange, if you take, this is my fruit orange and this is the grid locations. Okay, so I want to increase the top and bottom of orange, these widths, top width and bottom width. So top width is the first coordinate and bottom width is the second coordinate. Okay, guys. So let's say I will increase 10 in the top position. So let's say let us make this 20. Okay, and run it again. So this is increased. Okay, in the bottom side also, if you want to increase, then change the other coordinate here. Okay, guys, this make it 20. Okay, so like this other side you can increase. So this padx and padway are used to decide the location of the widget on this GUI. Okay, so padx is in the horizontal direction. First coordinate is from the left side and the second coordinate is from the right side. Okay, and similarly for pady, first coordinate is from the top position, top widget, and second coordinate is from the bottom widget. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing tkinter and Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.